Hey guys, welcome. It's week 12 of the ATC Cards Full Deck Challenge. And in week 12, it's my husband's birthday, my father's birthday, and our daughter's birthday. The 25th, the 26th, the 27th. So all three right in a row. So I'm going to incorporate a little bit of all three of them into this week's card. So it is our last week in March. Next week, we start April 1st, and that's diamond. What am I gonna do for diamond? Does anybody know what the color is for the non-real stone? I think there's a real stone and a non-real stone for April. So April is diamond. I don't know. We'll see what we do. Maybe it'll just have to be white, because I certainly can't do clear. So we'll figure out what we're gonna do. But this week we have week 12 and we're celebrating birthdays, the 25th, the 26th, and the 27th. And my dad, he's been gone for 3 years now, and he was 95 when he passed. He lived a long life. Don't be sad. He lived a really, really long life. He was an amazing man. He owned a tavern, and he celebrated his birthday the week before, the week of, and the week after. So we're really still celebrating my dad's birthday. So thank you all as you see how I pay tribute to all three of our birthdays this week.
We're going to start out with the 10 of clubs. So you're just starting out with a deck of cards, and I have an envelope for my dad's name on it, and it was from the well drilling place, and then a stamp with Bugs Bunny. My husband loves Bugs Bunny, and then a dragonfly for my daughter Lynn. And all three of these elements are going to be put onto this week's ATC card. So the first thing I do is go in with the Roycycled paper, and I cut out this dragonfly with the wet distress method. So all you do is just take a paintbrush with some water on it and put the lines where you want and tear it. For the next thing, this envelope, this brought a lot of memories back to my family for the well drilling place. And I really hated to use the actual envelope, so I made a copy of it. The well was drilled in our house about September 1st, 1970, which my sister told me. And there was no water in our barn. So my older brothers and sisters had to haul water to the barn in the wintertime, and there was a pump outside that